Hello friends, hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 22, and today's topic is fun with words. This is an interesting topic. We are going to discuss this, and here we will get some question, and if we answer these questions, then really we will get some fun. So let's start. Is there any fun or not? So here see a number exercise in each group below. The second word of each pair is formed by writing a letter before the first word. A different letter is used for each group. Look at the letter that is added and write the missing words. Here one example is given. See, ash dash. Here ash, before ash in this place D is added. Same thing is happened here. See, one done. Rip, here what will be? Drip. Of course here the answer is given. So this way actually we'll do next exercise. See here in this group the letter D is added. So let's start. L, tail, ray, tray, wine. It will be twine. So interesting. Next one, 2 number. End, send, ink, sink, old. What will be here? Old. We will just add before the old s. So it will be sold. Now 3 number. Ice, rice, or roar, each. What will be? It will be reach, because we have to use a before each. 4 number. Hip, whip, arm, worm. Here in 2 places W is added with this word, so we will add here also. Let's do it. Here W E D G E. Next one, 5 number. Well, boil, lame, blame, rain. What will be here? Just add before this word B. It will be brain. 6 number. Age, page, hour, or lace. What will be? Lace will be place. Why? Because we have to add P before it. It will be place. Now hop, chop, lap, clap, rash will be what? We will add just C, then it will be crash. Next one, 8 number. Air, fair, owl, fowl, lock. Lock will be what? Flock. 9 number. Elf, self, kid, skid, hark. Hark will be shark. Yes, this is really interesting. Next exercise, B number exercise. Here it is written, the first line of each pair below has a code word and its meaning. The same code is used in the second line of each example. You have to find out what this means. Like IJOU means hint, UIJO means thin. So now we will do this one. See, using the code for the word hint, we can find the meaning of the letters UIJO. So here see, IJOU means hint, UIJO means what will be? See, just change it. How you will change? Here first U, here U last, it means T. Here U has come first, so we will first write T. Here see I, in this place I. Here I is used replace of H, or I can tell H is used here replace of I. So here we have to use this one, means I or H. Then J, here J, see J is in this place, means here J is I. So we will put here I. Then O is here, then we will write here N, because here O is equal to N. So thin. This we will do rest of the exercises or rest of the works. Let's do D, B, S, F means care. So here S here means R is coming here. B same place, A, then D, here D is actually in this place, C right here, and at last F, and F same place, so here will be E, it is race. Next one, C, I V C T means H U V S, here C, C V T I, here what does C mean in this place? C means in this place B, right here B, then V in this same place, here V means U, right here U, T, here T means actually S, right here S, and I in this place I, here what, here H, see H I, so I here it will be H, this one is bush. Now phone number, what is written here? NBSDI means March, MARCH, March. D here has come first, D means C, here D means what, C, we will write here C, then I, here I means what, I means H, write it here H, then C, B, here will become C, B in this place B means A, right here A, then S in this place S, third number R, here R, then N has come in this place first, and N means M, here it will be M, so charm. Next one, 5 number, TUFBM means steel, here see M has come first time, M means what, M means here L, so right here L first, F in this place, third number E, okay, now B, here B fourth number in this place, replace of B here A is used, right, A, then T first place has come, T means S, write this S, and U here second place, replace of it T is used, so here will be T, list. Next one, 6 number, UJEF means tide, EJF, U means what, let's do E, here E third number, here E replace of E we have got here D, right D, then J second place, here replace of J I, right here I, then F in this place last number, F here E, next one U here first one, so replace of U here we will use T, so diet. BDUT means acts, DBTU, okay, so what can be here? Here we can write C, D in this place, D means C, first time write C, then B means A, C, B means A first place, then T in this place, T means S. Now one is left U, in this place U means got T, it will be cast. Now 8 number, EBMF means what, Dale, here MFBE means what will be, see M, here M means L, right L, then F here last one E, next C, B in this place 2 number 2 place B, right A, then E last one, E means in this place C, E first place D, so lead. Next one, QFUBM means petal, in this place MFBQU, so let's do it. M same at last, here L, next F will be what, so F here E 2 number, right E, then B in this place 4th place, and replace of it here A, right here A, then what, then Q here first place, here P, and last one U in this place 3rd number, here T, so it will be lift. 10 number now, and this is the last one. QJTUPM means pistol. Here T first, T here in this place, T means say third place, S will be first, then Q, here Q first place, P now, then P in this place, P 1 2 3 4 5 number place, 1 2 3 4 5. O now here in this place, O, then J in this place, 2, here I, so we will place here I, then M in this place, last one, M here L, so right here L, and at last U, here it is in third place, U, 1 2 3 4, T, spoiled. So this is really so interesting topic, and I have got fun. Have you got? If you didn't get yet, so try at your home alone. I think you will get it. Next day we will do page number 23. There we will find the topic that is using capital letters. Bye for today.